Hello, everyone. I'm Judy, and I'm so glad to be here. Let's talk about something very silent but also important. Did you know that a tiny gland in your neck could be the reason you feel tired all the time, struggle with weight gain, or even experience mood swings? If you've been feeling off but can't quite put your finger on why, your thyroid might be the culprit. Stay with me until the end because I'll share a simple tea recipe that can help ease some of these symptoms naturally. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss important health tips. Hypothyroidism is a condition where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormones. Since these hormones regulate metabolism, energy levels, and even mood, an underactive thyroid can have a major impact on your overall well-being. Many women experience symptoms but don't realize they are related to their thyroid. Here are some of the most common ones: persistent fatigue, unexplained weight gain, dry skin and brittle hair, sensitivity to cold, depression or mood swings, slow heart rate, brain fog or difficulty concentrating, constipation, menstrual irregularities. If you experience several of these symptoms, it might be time to get your thyroid checked through a simple blood test. The most common cause is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, an autoimmune condition where the immune system attacks the thyroid. Other causes include iodine deficiency, certain medications, and even stress. Women, especially those over 40 or who have a family history of thyroid disorders, are more likely to develop hypothyroidism. The standard treatment is levothyroxine, a synthetic thyroid hormone that replaces what your body isn't producing. Eating a nutrient-rich diet can support thyroid health. Focus on foods rich in iodine, seaweed, fish, dairy, selenium, Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, and zinc, pumpkin seeds, lentils. Regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep can also help balance your hormones. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or personal experiences to share.